Guys, it's Poppy and Summer. Today we're going to do Pokemon Go. Yeah, we're going to play Pokemon Go, so let's go Pokemon Go. Just I need to get more of these. Look how cute they are. Nothing. I need the love. I need to be a stranger. I need to get more of these because I need to turn to that. It's basically, it starts from it starts to a baby, to a medium, to a large one. So it goes to it goes Charmander, Charmander, to Charlene, to Charizard. I need more of them. I would say baby, kids, adult. Yeah, I think, what is this about it? I can't touch it much, little bit. I found this in the wild. We've got to show you something. This is amazing. Oh, the magnet. It sticks up there because there's a magnet. It's fake and there's a magnet on that foot there. That's why I want more of those kinds, because there's magnets. Right there's a magnet. Stick this. Anyway, yeah, so. Come on, Summer.
I'll get dressed.
We'll be back in a minute. Guys, we're back. We're watching a YouTube channel. If you don't believe us,
I mean, it was really hard to choose out of all.
That's my voice.
These are all of them. And then I
have My Little Pony.
It was really hard to choose out of all of them.
You need to turn it down.
Leave us a comment down below which one's your favourite, which one's your favourite Metropolis. Okay, ready? And
so it says, My Little Pony.
okay.
So it says, favourite My Little Pony, Zootopia, and Elpida.
All of them. Good. I must go hers first.
What's that? Well, Summer's playing Pokemon Go. Whoa! Well, it's not really Mimi. It's just my little sister dog. Which is a band have. I need 400 candy. Because if I get 400, and that takes in 400, but look how beastly it looks. Yeah. Look how beastly it looks. Look at it. Beastly. This camera back. I need to get more EVs. Why don't you do the ball in your room where there's what Pokemon Go in your room? Wait, I got an idea. Should we ask if we go outside? Walk around. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Someone just found something out. There's an eye. I'm joking. It's like, because we were doing it by the chair here. We're doing it on this chair. And we're on that. And it's that. That. And that. Anyway, yeah. Okay, guys, so we're out. Oh my god, it's really cold out here. Okay, so she's playing Pokemon Go. Oh my god. Let me just shut the door. Oops. You might get some car. Okay, they can't see it. Anyway, guys. Guys, it is like I've already. My hair just then, you should have seen it. My hair was literally flying back as far as it could go. Hey, Rory. Rory.
Rory. Come down here.
Peppa. No.
Peppa, stop this instant.
So funny. So guys, put away the phone because you can't leave the phone.
Guys, I think that's the end of the Pokemon guy.
Oh, sorry, but I think we're gonna delete this video because it was. I don't think it was that good.
No, we're gonna do it.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Oh wait, subscribe, leave a comment and like. What?